before you can start using Rust, you have to install it on your system. To do that, navigate to doc.rustlang.org/book. Here you will find the Rust programming language book. It is a brilliant learning resource and I highly recommend that you read it. In the first section of the book, there is a chapter on installation. If we go to that and scroll down, you will find different installation guides based on different operating systems. So for Linux and Mac OS, you just have to run this curl command on your terminal. For Windows users, you have to follow this link where you can download an installer. Another way to use Rust under Windows would be to use the Linux installer script on the Windows subsystem for Linux. But no matter which installer you use, you should end up with a couple of programs installed. You should have rustc. Rustc is the Rust compiler, and you can see that currently I'm on version 1.44. You should also have Cargo. Cargo is the Rust package manager and build system. And lastly, you should have RustUp. RustUp is the toolchain installer for Rust. With it, you can upgrade your Rust compiler or Cargo.